Hi there. Welcome. My name is Adam Ouellette. I'm an attorney, and I own Spectrum Title. Been an attorney for over 14 years, and I'm also a licensed real estate law instructor. Today we're going to be talking about as-is contract forms, an overview for buyers. The as-is contract is one where the buyer gets to do their inspections within the inspection period and back out of the contract and get their deposit back if they choose to do so. It started becoming real prevalent back in the seller market time frames in the early 2000s, where there was lots of buyers, lots of offers, and sellers just weren't going to be willing to pay for repairs, and they wanted top dollar for their homes. So once that started happening, the as-is form continued to carry on and continues today, even in 2012. Why is that? It's just because that's what was used and that's what continues to be used. The biggest question I get from people is, will sellers pay for repairs? We're going to talk a little bit more about that later, but just understand that everything is negotiable, and it's negotiable within the time frame of the inspection period in the terms of the number of days in the contract itself. So you get a contract together, you've fully executed, and you order your inspections. What happens then? Well, you get your inspection back, and understand that most inspectors are going to put top dollar on any repairs that they think may need to be done. So that's the first thing that needs to be considered, is they're always going to estimate high. Now, if something big comes back, like there's a big issue with the roof, the foundation, or the property has termites, stuff like that, you're really going to want to try to negotiate with the seller to see if they'll do those repairs. So one of the things you need to make sure you have done is work with your realtor and have the inspections ordered very quickly after the contract is entered into. That way you have enough time to get the inspection back from the actual inspection company, review it, and then start any negotiations if you need to. Many sellers will negotiate with you to do some of the repairs. Usually not all of them, but most sellers will discuss doing the repairs or actually giving you a credit if that's possible with your lender to get repairs done. We talked a little bit about bigger ticket items like roofs and termites. What do you do with that? Well, if the seller won't negotiate with you and refuses to do the repairs that you'd like to have done, then you have the option of backing out and canceling the contract within the inspection period. Make sure that it's done before that inspection period, the days for the inspection itself is done, and everybody signs a release of deposit, and you get your money back, and you go on trying to find something else. Understand that all parties, including the brokers, must sign a release of deposit in order for you to get your deposit back, and that's usually an issue based on whoever's holding the escrow is going to want to make sure that nobody has any potential claims on the escrow monies. But the fact of the matter is, most contracts do move forward and close regardless of what comes up in the inspection, because sellers understand that if you find something on your inspection report, it's going to come up later, and most buyers do want some of the big ticket items repaired. Most of the time, some of this stuff is handyman issues that can be done quickly and at very low cost. But I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope you had some valuable information and got information from this webinar. We look forward to working with you, and if you have any other questions, please feel to reach out to us. We're here to help. My contact information is here, and there's also plenty of videos on my realpropertyu.com website, and I add more every week. So we look forward to talking with you and doing your closing. Have a great day.